Hello class. So the first thing, this is the chemistry video study guide for the pH and acids and bases lab. First thing I want to talk about is how to calculate concentration change. So we've done this before in the past, but I just want to apply it to what we're talking about now. So first off, I want to talk about is our equation. What we're going to use here, this might look familiar. M1 V1 equals M2 V2, where M1 stands for molarity. That's supposed to be a capital M. And V1, well, these are volumes. And that's the same, molarity 1 versus molarity 2, volume 1, volume 2. So, remember, if you think back to the gas laws, same exact thing. If we're going to solve for, say, M1, we would just divide each side by V1. Therefore, M1 equals M2 V2 over V1. Plug in our three variables, and voila, we have the first initial molarity. So that's cool. Now let's do an example. So if we have, let's change colors too. 6 molar HCl at 250 milliliters. What is the new molarity at 800 milliliters? Okay, well that's pretty good. Let's remember our equation. Molarity 1 times volume 1 is equal to molarity 2 times the volume 2. Now, what do we have? Well, M1, that was given to us, is 6 moles per liter. V1, well, that's 250 milliliters. What is M2? Well, that's what we're trying to find. Volume 2, you guessed it, 800 milliliters. Now is a good time to pause, solve the question on your own, and then start up the video again. So here we go. Let's solve for M2. M2 is equal to M1 V1 divided by V2. Excellent. If M1 equals 6, V1 equals 250, V2 equals 800, what does that equal? Plug it into your calculator, about 1.9 moles per liter. Now, just to make sure we're writing correct, we want to say moles of HCl. Excellent, and there we go. So those are some easy concentration reactions. I would definitely give this equation to you on a quiz. You're going to have to know how to use it. Otherwise, that's the first step of studying for this quiz. If you have any questions, come talk to me later on. Excellent.